Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, welcome to MEILING Online Canteen Fair. I am Jack, the product manager of the refrigerator. Today, I'm very glad to introduce our new models side-by-side model range. Here, we prepared 3 models, from the smaller 433 liters to the middle one, 562 liters, and the biggest, a luxury one, 622 liters. First, I want to introduce this model, our most cost-efficient model side-by-side. This model, the width is 83 centimeters with the height 1.77 meters. In this model, we have 3 door racks in the left and another 3 door racks in the right. And maybe you will ask, how to control this refrigerator? Here, you can see, we move control panel from the door to the inside, and in the left, you can control the temperature for the freezer department. Minus 16 to minus 18, 20, 22, 24, and fast freezing. In the right, you can control the refrigerator department from the temperature 2 to 4, 5, 6, 8, and the fast cooling. Okay. Second, I want to introduce the best choice, the side-by-side models. This model is a little bigger than the previous one. It has the 91 centimeters width with 1.77 meter height. And this model we're using the door display. Here, you have much more option for your refrigerator. For this model, we are using the door display. Here, we have the children lock here. If you want to control your refrigerators and adjust the temperature, you just need to touch this panel. Then you need print here for 1, 2, 3. It's unlock. If you want to control your temperature in the refrigerator department, just touch the temperature zone here. Then you can control this from the temperature 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and off. Why here has off? Because for this refrigerator, we are not only using the in-water compressor, we're also using the twin cooling system. That means if you want to close the refrigerator department, you can adjust by the touch panel and just make the freezer department working. But if you want to go to the vacation or you have other requests, you also can use the function like smart, then print OK, or the freeze temperature will be temperature 5. And if you want the fast freezing, then touch the OK, you can find the temperature zone in this freezer department will minus 32. Okay, let's open this refrigerator. In this side-by-side, as you see, we have much more door rank than the previous one. In the left, you can find 5, and in the right, we also have the 5 door rank. And all this glass shelf, we can using the silver trim. And one more important, for this refrigerator, we combine the lacquer system for clean the smile inside. Another important, maybe you already found that, For this refrigerator, we matched the water dispenser option. If you want to drink some of the cold water, you just need to check your water and pour inside. Close this. And you can get this water outside. Finally, I want to introduce the biggest side-by-side model. This model wise is the 91 centimeters, same as this middle one, but the height is 1.8. All this model has all the advantage from the previous, and with much more capacity. As I said just now, this model is around 622 liters. If you want to know much more information about our side-by-side model range, please visit the MEILING online booth. Thank you very much.